Every time you are exposed to the sun, you should keep your skin hydrated and protect it by regular use of sunscreen, as the UV rays can harm your skin. Yet, people are often exposed to sunlight without using sunscreen, which results in dark spots on the skin. However, potatoes can effectively eliminate dark spots. They are often used for cosmetic purposes, as they improve the complexion, soothe the irritation, and brighten these spots. Thus, a mask of organic potatoes can do miracles for your skin. This treatment has numerous beneficial effects, including removes the dark spots from the skin, treats acne, moisturizes and nourishes the skin, reduces dark circles around the eyes, alleviates inflammation, slows down the aging process. All you need to do is to prepare a potato juice and apply it on the affected skin area. Moreover, you can combine it with other beneficial agents in order to boost their effect. Potato and carrot. Mix the juice of potatoes with the juice of 1 carrot and apply it on the skin. Leave the mixture to act for 25 minutes and rinse with cold water. Potato with lemon juice. Mix the potato juice with the juice of half a lemon and apply their combination on the affected skin area. Leave to act for 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Potatoes and onions. Mix the juice of 1 onion with the potato juice and apply their mixture on the skin. Leave it to act for 10 minutes and rinse with water.